Hello people, or hello YouTube, this is Tommy TTR1, and this is a bike check of my We the People arcade. So we have a red plastic Shadow Conspiracy seat, Oddesy PC pedals, Oddesy V3 elementary stem. Oh, I don't remember the name of that rim. This rim is a Alexis rim or something. Blue rim. Painted frame, painted cranks, painted forks, painted bars. We got some pegs on here, Oddesy or I don't know what brand they are, but yeah. Black or chrome, chrome chain on here. Can't really see it in this brightness. 24 tooth sprocket. Yeah, it's so light, it's so easy to do tricks on. And it's a diode, other than the chain, because it's really good. It's like, listen. Pre-diode. Yeah, thanks for watching YouTube. Please like, subscribe, comment, rate. Yeah, have a good day.